price of Cardano's native cryptocoin EDA plunges after test value of major blockchains upgrade. Its local ADA coin fell by near a fifth since Friday, meeting in the minds of fears over additional likely deferrals to work on the chain's versatility with quicker exchange rates throughout. It's strangely destructive and farming, and it must stop, caution in a 24 minutes video reaction present on YouTube on Saturday. A Pesca individual from the Cardano people group broke position and sounded the caution over a devastating disappointment in a trial of the new update named Vasil, which had previously experienced different hiccups. Tragically, the titles are presently devastating by Cardano, and that will stick to customers, and it will take a ton of showcasing and conversion to have the option to get that to unstick, he said. With Cardano considered a strong competitor to a post-blend Ethereum, a great deal is riding on Vasil. Fast overhauls like Shelley, a long time back-handed serious issue like its basic absence of decentralization by presenting marking poles, will later add savvy contract. As indicated by Hoskinson, ADA is recorded on exchange of 200 traders, more than 2,000 activists backing on the blockchains are at present under development, and north of 5 million NFT were printed, utilizing the innovation. By attracting outside attention to Vasil concern opposed to adhering to inside local area channel for discussion and conversation. Bandits accidentally the efforts of everybody with a personal stake in the progress of Cardano. Nothing significant will be achieved, said Hoskinson. No genuine innovation will be ground. No CUNY ends will be drowned. You'll simply impel a blessed crowd, will hypotheses and sentiments, and at last shocking remarks, which will be until to hurt the respectability of the text. Thank you. See you.